Spread it out. Spread it out. Spread it out. The dog away. Here they all come.
Now get up there.
I am. Get the dog away, hun.
I want you for this scene. I want you right up next to me.
Okay, get the dog away. I don't want them nervous.
Here. I got the dog. Okay, for this scene, I need you to get close. There. I need you to get right up next to the deer. Okay, I'm gonna have to sprinkle corn.
Stop it. Oh my God! Look at all of them running.
Holy shit!
Get the dog away.
Oh, there's more. Oh my God. Oh shit.
Hun?
No, I need you to.
Hun. Oh my God, that's why you have to spread that shit around, dude.
No, I want.
Look at all of them coming.
Holy shit. Hon, I need you to get closer.
I'm not getting in that mess.
Hon,
No.
I've put some corn in your bra.
Stop
I need you to get closer. These fuckers are gonna turn on us as soon as the food's gone.
Look at them all. Where's the little ones? I don't see any little babies.
Oh my God. Is that crazy?
That's insane. The light that just went
Yeah,
off.
just you can just guesstimate.
Okay.
Oh shit. Did you see that one jump?
Yeah, Dottie's making him nervous.
Dottie? Hon, I need you to get closer.
Sweetie, I love you, but I'm gonna.
Whoa, shit.
I'm gonna hit you with this in a minute.
You're getting aggressive.
I wish we had more to feed him.
No, I don't. This is what happens when city people get involved with wildlife. It doesn't end well. Anyways, if you liked our video, give it a thumbs up. Click the bell notification so you get notified next time we drop a video. And please subscribe. YouTube thinks all our subscribers are bots and they keep taking our subscribers away. And we'll see you in the next video. And thanks again for watching. Bye.